Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a 2015 Yamaha R6 that I want to show you. Really nice bike, got good miles on it. It's got a 600cc inline 4-cylinder. It's a liquid cooled 4-cylinder with a 6-speed, inverted forks, good tires, a little GoPro mount right there. All the plastic looks good on it. Only found one little spot. Looks like a little rub right here on the very edge of this tailpiece. Rear tire looks good. Factory exhaust. Kind of a pearl white color. Really looks nice out here in the sun. The bike's got 2,453 miles. We ran it through the shop and checked it out to make sure everything was in good shape for you. Pops right off, no issues with any of that. Yamaha R6, it's the R1's little brother. But that smaller engine size, don't let that fool you. This thing will scream. See it, red lines at 16,500 RPMs. That's insane. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. You can go online and see our complete inventory of good, clean, used motorcycles at cleanharleys.com. Take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.